puzzle.
Yeah, today we're going to play with some jigsaw puzzles. And Yusuf's got 4 different ones over here. We've got a 3D spaceship puzzle. We've got some Peppa Pig puzzles. We've got this big elephant one as well. And we also have the Avengers. Yeah, the elephant one. He's dead. Okay, so Yusuf, which one do you want to play with first? Which one?
Rocket.
The spaceship rocket one? That looks so cool. Should we try this one first then?
What else?
Yeah, so let's get all these out. Yeah. Right, first we need to set all these up so you can see all of these. What's that?
Lollipop.
It's like a lollipop. Right, so first
This is the spinner.
it's like a spinneroonie.
Just come here. Oh,
Wow, they look so cool.
come and do it again.
Can we mend it?
Yeah.
Yeah. Okay, so first what we're going to do is we're going to put all these separated out so you can see the pictures at the top, and then we're going to start making them. Are you ready, Yusuf?
This one for company. Hold on.
Okay, we've turned them all around. Right, are you ready to start? This is the picture you need to copy. So let's turn this around.
I need that one.
That's what it looks like when it's
I
done.
need that one, please. I need that.
Go on then. Let's get started. Okay, so the easy way to do it, Yusuf, is we need to find all the ones with the corners, and then we can work inside, okay? So you ready to find them for me? We need to find 4. Go on, find me the corners. Go on, well done. Is that a corner? Yeah, that's good. We need to find another one. Oh, I found one. There you go, this one. Yes. One more.
2, 3.
I need to find one more. Can you find it? Where is it? Where's the last corner, Yusuf?
Yeah.
Yeah, well done.
1, 2, 3, 4.
Good boy. So what we've done with the corners is we've put them there like that to match with the corner of the picture. And then we're going to try and find
Oh, I wonder.
all these to match up to the corners.
This one go there.
Yeah, it might do. Try it. Let's try it. Might be right. Oh, well done. Well done. So, which one do you think goes after that, Yusuf? Looks quite hard. No, I don't think that's right. Let's Mummy help you.
This one, this
I think-
one. Nope.
I think that one.
This one?
No, this one. Yeah, I think so. Yeah! What's next? You can start from the bottom as well. You can start these ones at the bottom if you can't find anything else. Oh yeah, well done. Ooh, what's next? What goes next to this one? Can you find it? Is it? Wow, well done, Yusuf! Really good. We need to have some more. It's not going to fit yet. What goes next to that one? What goes next to the one you've just put? No, don't think that goes there. Ooh, this is quite hard, isn't it? So what about the corner at the top? Maybe you can find something for the top one. Can you find it? No.
I think so.
I don't think that's right. No. Where does that one go? Well done. What's next?
Oh, about the bottom one?
Yes, let's look for them.
Yeah.
Stuff it in there. Oh yeah, good boy. I think we just have one more to fit on that line. Which one do you think it's going to be? Look at your picture. The other way around. Other way. Does it fit?
Yeah.
Oh yeah! Oh yes! We've done one line! Yay! Now let's try to finish the top line. It's a hard work. We just need to find one that goes in that spot over there. I wonder which one it is. Oh! Let's see if I think I found it. No. Yeah! Yeah. Does it fit? Does it fit? Does it fit? Does it fit? Yeah, it fits!
It's white. Oh yes.
I don't think that's right. No, that's not right. Try a different one. Oh yes! Good boy. Next one. Yes, well done. And now I think you can close it. You can put the bottom one on together. Yes. Now do the other side. Yeah. Yes. Well done. Now this one. Yeah. Where does that go? Nope. On the other end. On the other end. Yes! Well done! Right, now we just have to fill in all the middle. Yusuf's doing a really good job. I've helped him out a little bit, but he's doing the rest himself. How's it going, Yusuf? It's going good. Ah yes, well done. You're doing really good. Yes, good job.
I'm part of it too. Woo!
Wow, we're nearly done. Does that go in there? Don't think that goes there. How much have you got left?
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6.
Just 6 left. Come on, let's see how you can do it, how fast you can do it. Ready, steady, ready, steady, go! One more left. And now do you know what we need to do? You know all of these? We need to put them on here, like the picture. So what we need to do is we need to put all of these on here. Okay, and do you see these little gaps here? Yeah, and there. That's where we need to put them. is left. What's that?
Alien.
Alien.
Can I just...
Have you done it? Oops, I'll help you. Wow, look at it, 3D. That looks so cool. Wow, look at that's the astronaut, the robot, the alien. Wow, that's so cool. Thank you so much for watching.
Thank you so much for watching.
So, do you guys like YUSUF's spaceship puzzle? If you do, please like and subscribe and comment down below. And we will come back with another great video.
Another YUSUF Fun TV.
Yeah, another YUSUF Fun TV. Bye.
Bye-bye.
Bye everyone.
I can't go.